Remember this view, guys.
But check out the view. I mean, you never see Rome like this again. You know?
One of my early videos was about this apartment near the Colosseum. Long story short, by a strange coincidence, I met the person who lives in it now.
The other day, I couldn't believe it. The video, I see this video, and it's the same apartment that I'm living in, the same window that I look out of every morning. I love Italy. I love Rome. All of my grandparents were born in Italy, and it's a big part of who I am. This apartment has been a lot of fun, being able to wake up every morning and look at the Colosseum and think about thousands of years of antiquity right before me. I love going to the market in the morning and buying fresh vegetables and fruit and cooking. You have to translate the Celsius into Fahrenheit, and then there are little pictures here that tell you what mode to put it on. And I really made a mess because I baked banana bread that burned on the top. I love the people. They're warm and engaging and helpful. The art is spectacular. Architecture. There's so much here that just brings me back over and over again.
So, when you were shopping for the apartment in Rome, what made you pick this one?
Honestly, there was very few apartments available because it's become such a desirable place to come to, and I think everybody's been traveling a lot after COVID, and so I loved the apartment because it's bright and cheery. You can see these big windows with lots of sunlight. These windows are amazing. My son loved them when he was here. He couldn't believe how big they are. And you can open them and put your head out and see everything that's going on. But the amazing part is it shuts out all the street noise, so you can actually sleep at night. It was the right size, the right location. So it's been a great place.
How does it make you feel to live in here?
Oh, how does it make me feel? It feels like home.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, it feels like home. And I guess I kind of create that feeling by stocking the refrigerator and getting to know people, and it doesn't have all of the things that we have in America, but it has different things that make it wonderful.
Can you make me an example?
Well, of course, looking out the window every day and being able to see not only the Colosseum, but the Palatine Hill and all of the people that are just surrounding the area to see these amazing places. So that is something that greets me every day. I love the pace of life here. This is a high energy city, but it is not stressful. the way New York or Washington, D.C., where I spent a lot of my life. And people take life in stride, it seems. And the things that are important are family and food, and those are the things that are important to me. So this apartment comes furnished, and there's linens and towels and those things. And the linens are, I mean, the towels are like exfoliating towels. They like take half your skin off. I'm being dramatic, but seriously, they don't use dryers here. Like we at home, everything is soft. So this is the park, one of my favorite places to come and have coffee. Isn't this charming? At the table. My final thought is I'll be back.